It's her, I think. But cat girls all look the same.
You cannot say that!
Give her a break. She's been alone by herself, away from society.
But they do all look the same if they have the same hair color.
Huh?
Rena! The western barricade failed! Where is our backup?
Command said they deployed an A.P.D. local agent! She should be here by now!
Are you kidding me? They sent a kid in a crop top to a biohazard zone?
I can hear you. I ain't no kid.
Too slow! You guys need to work on your cardio! Stay close. We push through together. Left side is clear. Keep moving.
More are coming! We don't have much time! What are you doing? There's a biter right behind you, you crazy cat!